Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, May 17th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, to be truthful, it isn't really Friday afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon, and I did something I haven't done in over 3 years. I took a 3-day weekend and just said the hell with these markets for a day. Anyway, I enjoyed myself thoroughly, and I may, in fact, start doing this a little more often because I did enjoy having a 3-day weekend to myself. Um, anyway, I didn't miss much. You can see here what happened with the Dow on Friday. Oh, but by the way, I was in touch with the stock market. I through a remote PC program I have. And by the way, I recommend that for people if they're interested in that. Just email me. I'll show you how you can actually set up a remote PC program uh, for absolutely for free, and it allows you to access your home computer that you can have everything running on and access it with any kind of handheld device or a laptop or anything else. And you can even execute trades and everything. It's pretty slick. Anyway, that's what I was doing Friday, but it was not adequate for me to be able to post anything as far as my video. So anyway, here it goes. This is my video for Saturday or Sunday afternoon for Friday. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It opened lower, and then it was positive for most of the day, and then ended up closing negative for the day, down officially 98 points. This isn't a really good looking chart. Looks like it could go lower, but at least as of Sunday afternoon, the Dow futures are up slightly, so we'll have to wait until tomorrow to see what's going to happen there. All right, we had some good trades and some bad trades, and unfortunately, the bad trades offset our good trades, and we closed out negative $1,500 on Friday. That really isn't too bad, but it was kind of sad because we had one absolutely fantastic trade that I'm going to show you in a second, and that was just blown away by two really stinky trades. That's trading. We only got into two positions, which is fortunate with this um, push up in the Dow at the beginning of the day. I would have expected we got into more. We only got into two positions. One was positive, one was negative, but we are holding at least positive $600 uh, over this weekend and going into tomorrow morning. So I'll show you the dismal uh, one of the dismal trades first. This is in CLVS, that's Clovis Oncology, and it gapped up on Thursday, and we bought it, and then it was just downhill all day Thursday. I think I may have showed this to you earlier, but anyway, and then bam, we were stopped out within 15 minutes of the open on Friday, and that was with a $4,600 loss in Clovis Oncology. And then we also got into Labu, Labu, which is the biotech bull, and that went south also, and we lost over $4,000 in that. So between Clovis Oncology and the biotech bull, we lost close to $9,000, and that offset this absolutely spectacular trade. Ironic because this is a biotech in the biotech sector, and it just did spectacular. But this is Zyne, Zyne, which is Zynerba Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. And we had bought this on Wednesday last week. It closed favorably on Wednesday, but had this huge run up on Thursday. And then, in spite of the negative Dow and the negative biotech stuff, on Friday, it gaps up again, and we get out here, not quite at the top of the market, but pretty close to it because it sold off after we got out, and we took out $9,100 out of uh, Zynerba Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Just a beautiful trade. And even though we ended up with a $1,500 total loss on our exits, let's face it, that would have been a horrible day if we didn't at least have this very good trade in there. So all I can say is that it pays to be diversified, and this did really pay off for us on Friday. So that's the way it went. I had a great weekend, enjoyed myself thoroughly, and I will be back here tomorrow on Monday trading as usual.